Today we're making a delicious strawberry tofu smoothie with just 4 simple ingredients. It's creamy, refreshing, and packed with protein. Here's what you'll need: 100 grams of frozen strawberries, 50 grams of banana, 200 grams of silk tofu, and 5 milliliters of maple syrup. Blend everything until it's completely smooth. Tofu makes this extra creamy without needing any dairy. And that's it, your high-protein strawberry tofu smoothie is ready. Perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or any time you want something tasty and nutritious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and healthy ideas.